Welcome to this helpful tutorial on how to hide your follower list on TikTok. TikTok is a popular social media platform that enables users to create, share, and view short video content. One of the key features of TikTok is the ability to follow other users and be followed in return. However, there might be instances where you'd like to keep your follower list private for various reasons. Without further delay, let's begin. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. After that, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 lines. Click on that. A small menu will open. Choose the last option, Settings and Privacy, from the menu. From the Account section, click on Privacy here. Scroll down until you find the Following List option, and once you locate it, click on it. Now you'll be prompted with the question, who can see your following list, everyone or only me? Choose the second option, Only Me. This means that only you can see your following list. No one else has access to it, and you have successfully hidden it. We hope we've helped you in hiding your following list on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.